Hello everyone, I am Syed, teacher of Mount Litra Z School. In this video, we will learn about the square roots. The square roots can be found by using the two methods. The first method is the factorization, and the second method is the long division method. So these are the two common methods to find the square root. So first let's start with the factorization method. So in factorization method, if we are getting a number, suppose that if we have to find the square root, this is the symbol of a square root 3, 2, 4. So by factorization method, first we have to find the factors of this numbers. So 3, 2, 4, the factors of it, 2, again it can be divisible by 2, then it can divisible by 3, then again it can divisible by 3, then again 3 3 is 9 and 3 1. So these are the factors of 324. The factors of 324 are 2 into 2, and these are the prime factors. So we have to find the prime factors for it. So there are 2 times 2 and 4 times 3. Now take the pair square root, the pair of two numbers. So from this pair 1 2 is taken, from this pair 1 3 is taken, and from one pair this pair again 1 3 is taken. So the square root, if I solve, the square root of 3 2 4 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3, 18 is the answer. So this is how you can find the square root of a number by the prime factorization method. Now suppose that if the number is, we have to find the square root of root 48. Since I have already told you in previous video that if the 2, 3 and 7, 8 unit digit is 2, 3, 7 or 8, then it is not a perfect square. So by directly we can say that it is not a perfect square. But let's check with the prime factorization method also. So find the factors of 48. So 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Again it can be divisible by 2. Again it can be divisible by 2. And again it can be divisible by 2 and then 3. So the factors of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Since we are getting the pair of here 2 and 2, we are getting the pair of this, but the pair of 3 is not available. Therefore the 48 is not a perfect square. To make the perfect square, either we have to multiply with the smallest number, that is 3, or we have to divide with the smallest number, that is 3. Now come to the long division method. Long division method for finding the square root. So in long division method, here I take, if we have to find the square root of 7 to 9, so how to solve it? So first take 7 to 9, this number. Now take the pair of two digits. So here I take these 2 digits from right to left. So 2 digits, only 1 digit is left. Now here take only 1 digit. Okay. Now take the number such that the square of that number is lesser than 7 and very close to the 7. If we take 2 into 2, it becomes 4, and if we take 3 into 3, it becomes 9. So it will be greater. So we can't take 3. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, here is the 4. Now do the subtraction here. So after subtracting, we get 3. And this number is come down, so it becomes 329. In this 2 become double, it become 4. So here 2 will be double, so you have to double this and it become 4. Now here we have to choose the number and multiply by the same number which is equal to or close to 329. So if I choose 7 here, so 7 into 7, that means 7, that means 47 into 7, that is equal to 329. So that is why I choose the 7 here. So 329, the remainder is 0. So this is how we can solve the square root by long division method. Here we take another example. Suppose example of 4-digit number So I take the example 1296. Now we have to solve this by using a long division method. So 1296, take the pair of two numbers, two digits, here also two digits. Now the number to be taken which close to 12, so I take 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. Now subtract this number, so it become 3, then this number come down, so 396. Again if you double the 3, this 3 double, it becomes 6, and we have to keep here that number. If we multiply with the whole number with that number, then it comes 396. So suppose that 6, and we have to choose here number. So if I choose 6 into 6, so when you multiply this, it becomes 396. So here I choose the number 6, so here also 6, so it becomes 396. So the answer is 36. So the square root of 1296 is equal to 36. So this is the two method to solve the square root. That is, the one is the prime factorization method which we see earlier, and this method is the long division method. Hope you will understood. Thank you.